This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about coffee filters, specifically these Restpresso coffee filters. They're made of unbleached paper, and you can see they're cone-style filters that are going to be perfect for making your drip or pour over coffee. They come in two sizes, the 6 1/4 by 4 1/2, or the 5 1/4 by 4. And you just want to make sure you check the listing to find your compatible little coffee dripper to use these in. They're made from unbleached and biodegradable paper, making them a great environmentally friendly option for coffee filters. And their cone shape is perfect for brewing that fantastic, flavorful cup of coffee. Since they're biodegradable, disposable is just as easy as use because you can just toss them into the trash when you're done. The shape allows water to flow through while helping to keep sediments and oils out of the coffee, meaning you're going to get the full aroma and flavor of your grinds every time. So these are perfect for making pour over or drip coffees, whether you're just looking to step up your coffee game at home, in the office, or if you're a professional looking for new coffee filters for your coffee shop.